A routine traffic stop begins with something almost ordinary: a lane change, a signal, and an officer asking for license and insurance. But within minutes, the tone changes. A small detail inside the vehicle shifts the officer's attention, and what starts as a minor violation becomes a tense roadside encounter where every movement matters.
What's up, bro?
This is the first important checkpoint. The officer begins with a basic traffic violation, but he is also watching the driver's tone, eye contact, hand movement, and whether the driver responds calmly to simple instructions.
What's up, boss man?
What's going on?
You got your license and insurance on you?
Yeah, I got all that.
All right, man. You switched lanes without signaling, and then when you came in here, hold on. And then when you came in here, you signaled. You got a signal outside of 100 feet.
I got a signal outside of 100 feet.
Yeah, brother. Yeah. Outside of 100 feet. Initially, when you switched lanes to the right lane, you didn't signal to switch lanes. And then when you came in here, you signaled, but not outside of 100 feet.
Notice how quickly the driver challenges the reason for the stop. In traffic stops, resistance does not automatically mean guilt, but it raises officer awareness because cooperation and communication are key to keeping the situation controlled.
I'm saying, I just feel like, what you doing? I'm saying.
What do you mean? I'm doing my job, bro.
I'm saying, I don't have nothing I didn't do anything wrong. You acting like I switched lanes. I put my signal on.
Hey, brother, this is my job, man. All right? It's just
But
a
I'm
traffic
saying,
stop.
what's
Hey,
your job?
that's me, to pull traffic stops on violations. You got a license and insurance on you?
The repeated focus on needing the bathroom may seem minor, but investigators often view urgency as pressure behavior. It can be genuine, but it can also be a way to end contact quickly or distract from what is inside the vehicle.
I need to take a piss, man. Y'all sitting up here. You trying to get some gas? Y'all in the way, man.
What are you looking for, insurance?
No, I ain't looking for nothing. I know.
You need your insurance.
Boss man, I'm trying to tell you, I ain't.
This is where the stop changes direction. The officer smells alcohol and asks about the cup. That gives him a new investigative reason to expand the stop beyond the original lane change violation.
On no bullshit. I'm cool.
I don't know you, brother. You know what I'm saying? I don't know you.
You getting to know me. I'm giving you my
What's in the
insurance.
cup? Let me ask you that. I smell booze. Is it just a little bit of booze?
Small stuff.
What is it?
Small stuff.
All right, no big deal. What is it, wine?
No, little stuff. I just came from my homie crib.
All right.
My homie just came in town.
All right, man,
I ain't
listen
on
to me,
no
all right?
bullshit.
I'm not too worried about a little bit drinking that cup, all right, man? I'm not worried.
When the officer asks him to step out, this is not random. Once alcohol is suspected, officers often separate the driver from the vehicle to assess impairment, reduce access to objects, and control the scene.
About that, all right?
What you worried about?
I'm not worried about that. While I run you, though, step outside here for me. David, one more car, no music.
Can I use the bathroom?
What's that?
I said, can I use the
When you're
bathroom?
done, bro, you
I
will.
gotta use the bathroom. So can I use the bathroom? I just gave you my stuff.
Yeah, I got you.
The bathroom.
You can't use the bathroom right now.
The officer asks about weapons before continuing. This is a safety question, not just conversation. At close range, even a small delay in noticing a weapon can completely change the outcome of a stop.
I can't.
Because you're on a traffic stop.
Why I'm on the traffic stop?
No,
though?
hey, no weapons on you?
No.
This moment is critical because the officer appears to notice something concerning. His reaction suggests the situation has moved from investigation to immediate safety risk, where body position and hand control become the priority.
What's this?
That's my dick.
Nah, man, it's not.
It is my dick.
It's not.
That's my dick, bro. What are you doing?
Hey,
What are you doing? Come on, man.
Listen
Don't
to
do that. Don't do that.
David, step it up.
The repeated command, "do not reach," is important. Officers give clear, repeated commands because a suspect's hands are the greatest threat indicator. The danger is not the object alone, but movement toward it.
What are you doing, bro? What are you doing?
Hey, do not reach. 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 Step it up.
Let me go.
Do not reach, bro. You're gonna get kicked. Do not reach or you're gonna get shot. Do not reach. Do not reach. Bro. Do not reach. Bro, do not reach.
Let me go.
Do not reach. Bro, do not reach for that gun. Do not reach for that fucking gun. Do not reach for that fucking gun or you're gonna get shot. You hear me? You hear me? It's not worth it, bro.
Oh, what are you doing?
It's not worth it. Bro, it's not worth it. You're gonna get shot.
When the officer says there is a gun, the legal and tactical situation changes. At that point, the focus is no longer the traffic stop or alcohol. It becomes preventing access to a deadly weapon.
Do not reach. David, step it up. He's got a gun.
Oh, get up there.
David, step it up. You get shot. Go.
After the shots, the officers immediately shift into scene control. Securing the weapon, creating distance, and calling medical aid are standard steps because the threat must be contained before anyone can safely provide care.
Step back, step back.
Cover this gun. Cover this gun.
Roger, 160. 2260, sorry, left.
Buddy, my body camera fell. Buddy.
Okay,
George is equal for clear 50 ahead.
okay.
Thank you, George.
I'm gonna go secure this.
Come on, buddy. Hey, come on.
What do you need?
I need some medical aid.
Okay.
Go sit down now. Go sit down.
Well, we got this day. Seems to help us off traffic control.
All right, take it easy. Take it easy.
What began as a minor traffic violation escalated through a series of warning signs: visible frustration, alcohol suspicion, refusal to follow movement commands, and finally, the presence of a gun. This case shows how quickly a roadside stop can turn dangerous when communication breaks down and hands move where officers cannot safely ignore them. The question left behind is simple but difficult. At what exact moment did this stop become impossible to de-escalate?